Is your Infiniti Q50 key fob unresponsive or has a weak signal? The most likely culprit is a depleted battery. The Infiniti Q50 key fob, specifically for 2020-2022 models, uses a CR2032 battery, which is an inexpensive and widely available 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Common symptoms of a dying battery include the inability to remotely unlock doors, or start the vehicle. You'll need a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or coin. No programming is required after replacement. Let's proceed to the replacement steps. First, gently pry open the key fob using a flathead screwdriver or coin at the designated seam. Be careful not to force it to avoid damaging the internal circuitry. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the correct polarity with positive side up. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the key fob back together securely. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your Q50. If it doesn't work, check battery polarity and voltage. Remember, forcing the fob open can damage the internal circuit, leading to costly replacement. Always dispose of used batteries properly to prevent environmental harm. DIY replacement saves you $50 to $100 compared to dealership costs.